called the police on us. On the great killers of Linwood. My mother is going next door to investigate the great problem. We do not have sound, but we have video. Doom, 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 doom. The great conversation starts. Dun, 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 dun. Greater video. Dun, 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 dun. Spiking. Oh my gosh! I'm getting attacked by the great killers. Get off me, great killers. Dun, 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 dun. This man, he complains that the great killers took a great number 2 in their yard. Dun, 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 dun. He's angry because they barked at him. Dun, 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 dun. Why did they bark at him? Dun, 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 dun. He said, "Come get these great killers." Dun, 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 dun. Stop biting me. Well, I have to kill the great killers. Dun, 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 dun. Look at the great killers. They're stalking the prey. Dun, 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 dun. He's getting upset. Keep your dogs on my yard, Sam. That's all I want. All I want. Well, I can't find the crap, but I've seen them crapping in my yard. Dun, 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 dun. The great crap, huh? The officer is not believing his story. The great killer must stop licking me with the death lick. Ah, he licked me again. Dun, 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 dun. Ah! Get off me! Dun, 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 dun. Mother is agitated. Stop licking me! Get back! Get all the way back. Look at those great killers. Look at that walk of prey. He's going to a bowl. He's licking up blood. Blood, I tell you, look at this. Stalking prey. Dun, 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 dun. He's using hand gestures. He's worried. He's nervous. He has no proof of the crap. Mother, using hand gestures. Irritated. Very, very irritated. Dun, 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 dun. He pointed at me. Gotta hide. Who's calling? It says Keith Abraham. I don't know Keith Abraham, so I'm not gonna answer. Now I'm gonna look in the corner again. Dun, 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 dun. He has a problem with me. Well, let's duke it out, sir. Dun, 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 dun. Can they see me? Dun, 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 dun. Let's get a picture of the shot of the police. Dun, 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 dun. The police is ready to go. This is not that big of a deal. Dun, 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 dun. 3-4 minutes of this, and I'm already irritated. Dun, 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 dun. I wish we had audio. Dun, 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 dun. My news reporter, Mr. Deadly Squirrel, is on a sick break. Dun, 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 dun. He's still standing there. I'm waiting for him to show us the crap. Dun 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 dun. What other features do we have on this? Dun 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 dun. No menu. Oh, too bright. The light is on. Oh, shit. That's gonna get us caught. Dun 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 dun. Stop. Stop licking me with the killer deaths of lickness. The lickness. Where's your partner? The two deadly dogs. Look at this deadly dog. This deadly animal. Killer of all killers. Dun 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 dun. We will cut to commercial break. Dun 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 dun. The killers. They're here. Dun 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 dun. They're chasing. They're coming after me. Oh my gosh. The great killers. He's coming. He's coming closer. Oh, I got cut off. I got cut off. Oh, I'm going downstairs. Dun 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 dun. Then what? Police. Dun 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 dun. Oh, he tripped me. He tripped me off. Get off me. Get off me. The deadly killers. Get off me. Get off me. Get a life. Ah, you broke my toe. Ah, get off my face. Get off my face. Get off the couch. You too. Get off the couch. Get off the couch. You tripped me onto the couch. They're deadly killers. They tackled me. He jumped on my bed. Get off my bed. Get off me. Get away. Get away. He's trying to get me. He's trying to get me. He's attacking. He's attacking everywhere he can go. Oh, he's trying to get me. Oh my gosh. What am I going to do? Step on. Oh, he's trying to shoot me again. I'm going upstairs. I'm going all the way upstairs. I'm going. Oh my. The deadly killers. Oh my god. There they are. There they are. Oh my gosh. The deadly killers. Jump on the bed. Oh my gosh. He jumps everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh. They're trying to catch me. I can't. Oh, get off. Get off again. Get far. They can't catch me. Oh, they're stepping on me. They're stepping on me with their sharp, deadly claws. Get on my face. Get on my face. I need to let go. They're fighting each other. Oh, I gotta go. Deadly killer. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. You deadly killer. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Get out of my face, you deadly. Oh, you're biting me. Get out of my face. Commercial. What do you think?
He says that the reason why he called the police is because he was told to do so, and that was the only way to probably get some rectified. He admitted to calling the police all the time about dudes down the street.